This is the wood I'll be using for this $175 project. Yes, I said $175. I'll show you a screenshot of the sales stats for this item that's selling on Etsy here shortly. Personally, I would never pay that much for this, even if I didn't have the woodworking skills to build one. But you know what? It doesn't matter what I would or would not pay. It only matters that someone else does pay. And there are people out there who pay for this. Consider that Etsy has a worldwide reach. We as woodworkers need to push aside our own perspective and realize a whole range of other perspectives is out there. If you're a woodworker who takes your items to a local craft fair or sell on Facebook Marketplace, you're limited to a local customer base. When you sell online, you have access to millions of people. There will always be people who have money to spend and are willing to spend it on what they want, even if we ourselves think it's crazy. Sometimes I shake my head at how much people will spend on things. And then the opposite is true too. You could have a beautiful item for sale on Facebook Marketplace and nobody is interested. Or you get ridiculous lowball offers. You just have to have the right set of eyes land on your offer at the right time. I get asked all the time about pricing for items I make videos on. That's like asking, how long of a screw should I use? There is no one answer. There are so many variables that I can't give an accurate statement other than long enough to get the job done. These small, low-cost, high-profit woodworking projects are a great way for a new woodworker to get started with. And don't come back at me with, well, that's easy for you to say, Ronnie, you have all those fancy tools. Check out the card I'm put above to a video I did building something with only a handsaw and a drill. It can be done. It just takes determination and a willingness to take action. If you are a seasoned woodworker and maybe not currently selling small items like this, maybe you consider how you can incorporate some small builds into your inventory. I intend to do some testing with small items and offer one for free in my Facebook Marketplace ad when I sell my furniture. So if I'm selling a console table, for example, I might include a live edge serving tray in colors that complement the table. It's just an idea I'm kicking around doing. Hey, if you think that's a good idea, can you hit the like button for me? That will let me know if you think I'm on the right track or not. Appreciate it. Those small items, they don't cost that much and really don't take that long to build. I bet if you look at ads in your area, there probably are few, if any, builders doing this type of offer. It'd be a great way to set yourself apart from the others. If you're interested in selling online, maybe at a place like Etsy, for instance, do a search for what you want to build, get familiar with what's being offered, and use your creativity to put your own design on things. Evaluate your skill set. What skills do you need to acquire? There are endless videos on YouTube to help you skill up. You learn how to build, learn how to market, learn which platforms to market on. It can seem overwhelming at first, but just focus on that next step. Get confident in that step, then move on. Before you know it, you'll be making money with your woodworking. I'm a living example that it can happen. So yes, you can make money woodworking. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video.